Hi, my name is Rodrigo, and my partner Adriano and I are here to present to you RocketPy, a solution to the Moonshot pitch challenge in the orbit category. All very thematic, no? Designing, building, and launching a rocket is inherently complex and dangerous. Hence, users need a tool that's practical, easy to comprehend, and also safe so that the rocket will not fall in their heads. Hence, our solution is an innovative rocket trajectory simulator in Python that includes features that have never been seen before in the state-of-the-art model rocketry simulators. It includes the ability to see the trajectory in 3 dimensions, environmental models, propulsion, and many other complex techniques that can aid users. Our customers here would be mostly university students from rocket design teams, as well as competitions that bring together a lot of different rocketeers, amateurs, and from universities. We have already done consultations to rocket competitions before. As for validation, we have already validated our software using simulated impact points compared to the measured impact points of rockets that have been launched. And we also published a scientific article in the Journal of Aerospace Engineer, which validates our physical models. This software has been used across the globe in United States, China, Brazil, and many other countries, and is taking over the whole paradigm of model rocketry across the globe. Thank you.